I am eating my lunch. I like to eat spicy food. I drink coffee in the evening. I want to eat chocolate. I don't like cold drinks. I am making tea for my guests. I love eating ice cream. I am studying for my exam. I watch TV in the evening. I play games on my mobile. I am writing an email. I am cleaning my room. I'm washing the dishes. I do exercise every morning. I take a short break from work. I spend time with my family. I am relaxing on the sofa. I am playing football with my friends. I love watching movies. I'm going for a walk. I like to go shopping. I am visiting my friend today. I enjoy painting in my free time. I am taking a nap. I am going to the market. I am waiting for the bus. I am going by car. I am booking a taxi. I love to travel. I love to travel. I am paying the bill. I am very happy today. She is cooking food. They are playing outside. She is wearing a red dress.